In this video, I want to show you how to insert Google Sheet into Google Docs. This is useful for reports, proposals, or trackers where you want a chart or table of data to stay linked to the original spreadsheet. So any updates to the numbers automatically reflect in your document without manually copying data over again. I'm going to show you how you can insert a chart from Google Sheet, and then we will look at how you can insert a whole table or a spreadsheet. All right, so I'm gonna create firstly a blank page here, and to paste a chart, what you have to do, you want to click on Insert over here, then Chart, and you're gonna have option from Sheets. So if you click on this, it's going to open your Google Drive, because basically everything you do in Google Docs or Sheets is stored in your Google Drive automatically, so you can take it from here. So you can see I have this spreadsheet here, and I have also this chart. So I'm gonna firstly do chart, because this is inserting chart, import chart, and here you want to select this chart. And I would recommend to select this link to spreadsheet, because this means if you update something in Google Sheet, it's going to automatically also update in your Google Docs. So I'm gonna keep it checked, then click on import. And now you can see we have our chart imported in our Google Docs. Now what you can do, you can click on it and you can choose one of those options. If you want to maybe wrap this around the text, you can choose fixed position on page if you want to make the image like locked and not moving with the text. Now we can scroll somewhere where is the text, and I can place it right here. I'm gonna make this smaller so we can actually fit this somewhere around the text like this. Or you have also other options. You can do break text, so this is going to be like between those paragraphs. Then you can do behind the text, you can do in front of the text. And now we can test our linked chart if is it working. So for example, I can switch this time frame to 36 months. You can see now larger chart, and we can go back to Google Docs, and you're gonna have option to update it. So you can see now we can see 36 months of our chart. So this is the first way how you can import a Google Sheet to your Google Docs. Now, the second way is, let's say we want to import some table. So I can open quickly this spreadsheet, and I have this salary overview. So instead using chart options, I'm gonna just drag my mouse and select the whole table. I'm gonna press Ctrl C or Command C, or you can also right click and copy. We're gonna go to Google Docs now. I'm gonna place the cursor where I want to paste this. And I'm gonna simply press Command V or Ctrl V, or you can right click and you can paste it. And it's going to ask you that how you want to paste this table. So you can paste this unlinked, or you can keep this link to spreadsheet, which means any updates you do or change in Google Sheets, you will see also in the Google Docs. So I'm gonna click on paste. And now let's say average salary is around 158,000. So what I can do, I can change salary of someone. Let's say just random number. Now average salary is around 600,000. And if I open Google Docs, you can see you have these update options. If you click on it, it's going to update to the latest data from the Google Sheets. So those are two ways how you can import Google Sheet in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.